So the next topic we want to talk about within the Zero Trust model is the NIST Zero Trust or CISA Zero Trust model. And this is an overall build kind of idea around how to, where to start and where to put things within your Zero Trust philosophy. So some of the things you want to make sure you think of in this diagram, which I really like, this columns diagram, because it really kind of displays very well the things you should think about and how you should think about those things within the concepts of Zero Trust. At the bottom are the important things that go across everything. You have your governance, which is your policies and procedures within your organization and how they may apply to any of those Zero Trust things. You have a policy engine that handles your automation and orchestration within the organization to do some of those automated things you want to do as you mature your processes. The way to get to a more mature model is to continue to take things and automate them and make them a more stable foundation. And then the third layer down there is analytics and threat detection, and that is visibility into your environment. Being able to see across all of those pillars is very important to feed data down into the policy engine and governance areas. Now, the pillars of Zero Trust, according to CISA, are identity, and identity is any person or device or thing that would be considered may need authentication. Now, that identity can be non-person entities, so it's really sort of any entity within the organization. Devices are exactly what you think those are. It's any device that can connect to a network. Now, that's a very key concept. If it can't connect to a network, you don't really need to consider it part of Zero Trust. But if it connects to a network, and that includes printers, multifunction office things, those devices, those are considered devices. The environment is the overall network environment. So everything that's on the network, your network devices, your network topology, your network architecture, all that stuff. Applications, workloads, those are any applications you have deployed in your environment or any workloads you have on-premise, in the cloud, in any hybrid environment. You want to make sure that you have those analytics, policy engines, governance across all three of those things across applications, workloads. And then finally, the most important part, I think, of Zero Trust is data. So all of your company's data, all your organization's data, everything that you want to protect as part of Zero Trust is that fifth pillar. And again, you want to make sure you have all three of those foundational things across the bottom, across all five of those pillars.